cruise tourism is peaking, and Kenya is emerging as one of the favorite destinations for cruise ships.
It's going to be a seamless approach on a visa where the shipping line will simply be providing a manifest of all the passengers to the port authorities, and the port authorities process that as a one-off. That means if a tourist has been able to come to Mombasa by virtue of a cruise ship,
that we will be changing our visa and our ETA so that we can make it easier and seamless. Let me repeat, make it easier and seamless for those of you who are visiting, so that there is no paperwork, there are no issues, and we have agreed with the management of the port that will be made easy and simple so that visitors can visit our country and our cities.